Welcome to the Prophix Coffee Talk series focused on hospitality services. My name is Nicole Deisman and I'm a product marketing manager at Prophix, and today I'm co-presenting with Kim Semensky, a sales manager for our partner, Aptech Computer Systems. Over the next 10 minutes, we certainly hope that you enjoy the Prophix Coffee Talk. Prophix Corporate Performance Management provides hospitality organizations with the right balance between simplicity and depth of functionality, delivering a CPM solution that is easy, powerful, and enables collaboration. Prophix has flexible and robust functionality in a comprehensive unified solution to meet the needs of your organization now and into the future. With the ability to configure Prophix to your unique business model needs and requirements, Prophix creates a model for success for everyone, and you instantly address the reasons that may be hindering progression. The hospitality industry is a broad category of fields within the service industry that includes lodging, event planning, themes, parks, transportation, cruise line, and additional fields within the tourism industry. Prophix performance management software enables the leaders of hospitality organizations to react to changing market conditions, identify new opportunities, and continuously monitor their performance. Hospitality organizations use Prophix to create sophisticated forecasting models for revenues that can come from a variety of sources, such as events, equipment rental, accommodation and lodging, food and beverage, and rentals. In the hospitality industry, because so much of the business is based on circumstances beyond their control, like weather changes, costs of travel, and consumer confidence, a greater margin for error is required when planning. And Prophix allows hospitality organizations to budget based on a forecast built on their performance in prior years, accurately predict cash based on changing assumptions, better meet financial obligations, and operate more efficiently due to accurate, timely information being shared across the organization and to key external stakeholders, and analyze key KPIs such as visitors by age, sex, income levels to predict and plan ahead. So why Prophix? How can we do this successfully for hospitality companies? It really comes down to three areas: capability, cost, and access to data. Prophix has flexible and robust functionality in a comprehensive unified solution to meet the needs of your organization now and into the future. And with the ability to configure Prophix to your unique business model needs and requirements, we can create that model for success. You start with your key challenge or pain area and expand when you choose with no additional product to purchase. And with complete access to all data, Prophix becomes the flexible, adaptable, and scalable solution you and your business can rely on. Prophix offers an integrated approach to resolving issues and difficulties around planning, and through the unified Prophix solution, you can transform the way you work, eliminating resource-intensive and time-consuming processes by automating the way you do business. I will now hand it over to Kim Semensky, the sales manager at Aptech Computer Systems.
Every corporate financial manager knows the challenge of providing accurate budgets and forecasts. It is nearly impossible to predict annual revenues precisely, and it is critically important for companies to create high-quality revenue budgets and forecasts. Hotel company operations are based on hundreds of revenue, expense, and operational metrics that change daily. Driver-based forecasting elevates accuracy. Aptech Computer Systems is partnered with Prophix to provide the hospitality industry with a budgeting and forecasting system to gather information and provide managers with the performance data they need to take proactive measures and increase profitability. The system combines daily data updates with historic trends to forecast future performance. If the initial forecast falls short of profitability goals or misses expense estimates, management can adjust its forecast to stay on track going forward. Aptech, based in Pittsburgh, PA, is a financial software and service provider to the hospitality industry that applies technology to solve business problems for people. Founded in 1970, Aptech is widely recognized for its versatile enterprise solutions and has served the hospitality industry for over 40 years. Aptech has a customer base of over 3,500 properties, including large chains, multiple property management companies, ownership groups, and single-site hotels. Aptech developed Targetvue specifically for the hospitality industry to address its specific planning implementation challenges. As an enterprise budgeting and forecasting tool, Targetvue gives operators the ability to achieve their performance goals by building and implementing flexible plans. Most hotel companies manage goal setting, forecasting, and budgets with customized Excel spreadsheets. However, they are poorly suited for accurate, efficient enterprise planning and performance management. Targetvue delivers many operational functions not available with spreadsheet planning, including centralized controls, collaboration, version control, and aggregation. Drivers can be based upon previous performance, hotel standards, or other operating areas. For example, a specific market segment can increase by 5% over the previous year. Cleaning supplies and housekeeping hours can be adjusted based upon the cost per occupied room, or food and beverage hours can be related to the number of covers by meal period. By creating these relationships, a minimal amount of adjusting or calculating is required by the general manager or controller when business changes and the forecast needs to be updated. Targetvue's planning technology lets operators create flexible, freestanding plans and goals for their company's operations. The result is an automated, real-time, heads-up display of your company's business performance measured against budget and/or forecast. Hotel companies today can access and open an ocean of data that will help them create their financial future. The right technology and processes enable operators to improve their property's profitability through more effective management without a crystal ball. Forward-looking statistical trend analysis is emerging as a strategic tool that performs the practical magic of creating an accurate budget and forecast you can take to the bank. For years, operators forecasted revenue. Now they can easily budget and/or forecast payroll, utilities, and everything that affects profitability daily. With total property forecasting, a property static budget becomes a live, evolving document that managers fine-tune as trends shift. Financial managers can analyze specific expenses as a percentage of revenue and make positive budgetary adjustments to factors with the biggest impact on profitability. Remember, the trend is your friend. Targetvue integrates with labor, financial, and multiple property management systems. The software provides standard hospitality drivers for budgeting and/or forecasting, such as CPOR, percentage of revenue, per cover, and check-in and check-outs. Your own chart of accounts may be used and married to a standard list of hospitality drivers, or the standardized 11th edition reporting package following the AH and LA guidelines may be utilized. The ready-to-go entry templates have an Excel look and feel with a powerful database behind it. The flexibility of Targetvue offers the ability to provide daily revenue and labor or monthly expenses in undistributed templates. Historical trending of the drivers based upon their actual data allows operators to back into their standard productivity. There is no distribution mechanism and only one version of the truth. Hotel companies can improve future profitability based on past performance and on-the-books data. Through the use of the drivers, as your budgeted and/or forecasted factors are modified, the remaining values throughout your budget and/or forecast are automatically updated. The system automates the laborious process of reforecasting frequently. The result is better expense management based on actionable data that reduces risk. The CFO of a leading property company describes it this way: we look backward to see forward. When management has the flexibility to alter specific data, it can run what-if simulations to evaluate how those changes affect profitability. If housekeeping costs exceed budget, a manager can easily analyze the impact of using cheaper cleaning supplies or adjusting the schedule. Daily performance snapshots provide operators with updated forecast data for performance-based management incentives. General managers can see which factors affected their forecast for greater accuracy in the future. Targetvue utilizes Active Directory for security. Users can be assigned to specific properties, accounts, or departments. The license structure consists of 3 user types: administrators, advanced, and standard. Thank you for attending the webinar today, focusing on the industry's need for a better and more simplistic way to easily compare plan with performance and achieve your business goals. This now concludes the Prophix Coffee Talk. Thank you all very much for your time today.